Hello everyone and welcome back to Outfit Fashion World. Today's video is all about summer outfit fashion trends 2026. If you love fashion, stylish outfits, seasonal trends and discovering new ways to refresh your wardrobe, then this video is for you. Summer is one of the most exciting seasons in fashion. It is the time when people embrace lighter fabrics, brighter colors, comfortable and effortless style. Every year, fashion evolves, and 2026 is bringing a fresh mix of elegance, comfort, luxury, and creativity. Whether you are planning vacations, attending parties, going shopping, spending time with friends, or simply updating your wardrobe, these summer fashion trends will inspire you to create stunning looks throughout the season. Let's begin. The first major trends of summer fashion 2026 is lightweight and breathable fabrics. Comfort has become one of the most important elements of modern fashion. This summer designers are focusing on fabrics that feel soft, light, and comfortable even during the hottest days. Cotton remains one of the most popular choices because it is breathable and easy to wear. Linen is also making a huge comeback. Linen dresses, linen pants, and linen shirts are becoming fashion favorites because they provide elegance while keeping the body cool. Flowy fabrics such as chiffon and lightweight stain are also appearing in many summer collections. These materials create movement and add a touch of luxury to everyday outfits. The second trend is soft pastel colors. Pastel shades continue to dominate summer fashion in 2026. Soft pink, baby blue, lavender, mint green, peach, and butter yellow are becoming wardrobe essentials. These colors create a fresh and feminine appearance. They are versatile, stylish, and easy to combine with accessories. Many fashion experts believe pastel outfits create an effortless luxury look. Whether you wear a pastel dress, a matching set, or a casual top with jeans, these colors instantly make an outfit look sophisticated. Another exciting trend is monochrome styling. Monochrome outfits involve wearing different shades of the same color from head to toe. For example, an all black outfit, an all white look, or a complete pastel blue ensemble. This trend creates a polished and elegant appearance while remaining simple and modern. Fashion influencers and celebrities are embracing monochrome styling because it looks expensive and fashionable without requiring excessive accessories. Now let's talk about oversized fashion. Oversized shirts, loose trousers, relaxed blazers, and flowy dresses continue to dominate summer wardrobes. Fashion in 2026 focuses on confidence and comfort. Oversized pieces allow freedom of movement while creating a stylish and effortless aesthetics. An oversized white shirt paired with shorts and elegant sandals is one of the most popular summer looks this year. Another major trend is matching cord sets. Matching sets have become a favorite among fashion lovers because they make stylish easy. A coordinated top and skirt, matching shirt and shorts, or a two-piece linen set creates an instantly fashionable appearance. These outfits save time and provide a complete look without requiring much effort. Summer vacations are also influencing fashion trends. Resort inspired outfits are becoming increasingly popular. Flowing maxi dresses, tropical prints, wide leg pants, and lightweight kimonos are appearing everywhere. These pieces create a relaxed vacation inspired look even if you are not traveling. One of the biggest trends of 2026 is elegant minimalism. Minimal fashion focuses on clean lines, neutral colors, quality fabrics, and timeless silhouettes. Instead of wearing many bold elements at once, fashion lovers are choosing carefully selected pieces that look sophisticated and refined. Minimalist fashion proves that simple outfits can make a powerful statement. Now let's discuss the mind trends. The mind never goes out of style, but every year introduces new interpretations. In summer 2026, wide leg jeans, relaxed denim trousers, and denim skirts are becoming extremely popular. These styles offer comfort while maintaining a fashionable appearance. Many designers are pairing denim with lightweight blouses and fitted tops to create balanced silhouettes. White denim is another major trend this season. White jeans and white skirts create fresh summer looks and pair beautifully with pastel colors. Floral fashion is also returning in a modern way. Florals remains a summer favorite, but this year designers are introducing more artistic and elegant floral patterns. Instead of overly busy prints, many collections feature sophisticated floral details that appear fresh and modern. Floral dresses continue to be a must-have item for summer wardrobes. Accessories are playing a major role in fashion trends this year. Large sunglasses, woven handbags, statement earrings, and delicate layered jewelry are becoming essential styling pieces. Accessories help transform simple outfits into memorable fashion statements. Footwear trends are equally exciting. Strappy heels, kitten heels, platform sandals, mole heels, and elegant flares are all trending in summer 2026. Comfortable luxury is becoming the new standard. Fashion lovers want shoes that look beautiful while remaining practical for daily wears. Neutral colors footwear is especially popular because it complements almost every outfit. As we move further into summer fashion 2026, one thing becomes clear. Fashion is no longer only about following trends, it is about expressing personality, embracing confidence, and creating looks that feel authentic. The best outfit is not necessarily the most expensive one. The best outfit is the one that makes you feel confident, comfortable, and beautiful. In the second half of this video, we will explore luxury summer outfits, evening fashion trends, celebrity inspired looks, styling secrets, and the most popular fashion combinations of 2026. So stay with us and continue discovering the hottest summer fashion trends of the years. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest fashion videos. Let's know in the comments which outfit style is your absolute favorites. Stay stylish, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next video.